Welcome to today's video. In this presentation, we'll explore together the unique capabilities of the AI image-to-video generator. I'll guide you through the process of turning your still photos into stunning animated videos or stunning intros in just a few simple steps, depending on your creativity. Let's start this journey together and experience the power of artificial intelligence in content creation today. Part 1. Create account. Visit the website through the link in the video description. Click Sign Up, it's free. You can enter your email to get started or choose to sign up with Google or Apple. Runway offers various tools such as text-to-image, image-to-image, 3D capture, but in this video, we'll focus on exploring the image-to-video feature. Part 2. Create video with image. Click the Start with Image button, then use the AI Gen 2 video editing tool. Next, upload an image of your own or any image you want to turn into a video. Just below, you'll find the Motion Brush tool. This tool allows you to use a brush to draw around any object in the image that you want to move. Adjust the brush size and draw over the area you want to animate easily. Ensure that the main area is covered without precise scanning. In this video, I want the girl's hair in the background to move, so I'll scan them with the brush. Once you've selected the motion area, pay attention to the parameters for adjusting the motion. Decide whether they move left, right, up, or down with respect to the original image. Adjust each value, starting with smaller values. After adjusting, click Save, then press Generate and wait for processing. You can see the impressive result. There might be a few areas that need fine-tuning, but no worries, you can adjust them. If you want more precision, you can add a description. Of course, you can also add camera motion with the camera motion button. Get creative according to your preferences. This is the completed video using images created by Runway. I've turned them into this video. Don't forget, Runway has many more options for you to explore. You can find the links in the video description. Thank you for watching the entire video. If it was helpful, please like, subscribe, share, or let me know your thoughts in the comments.